Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Docusign account to your Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Docusign to Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that automating processes can free you up quite a bit, and with Docusign, you can manage your documents and even send out documents for signature through your Pipedrive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and connect your Docusign to your Pipedrive, go ahead and click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for Tools and Apps. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to scroll down until you see the Docusign logo right here. If you don't see that for some reason, don't worry. You can go ahead and click on Marketplace Apps and then explore Marketplace. And then here on this line, just click in the search bar and type in Docusign. Okay, so here you can see Docusign. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so now Pipedrive is going to give you a little bit of information about connecting your Docusign to Pipedrive. So you just want to scroll down and then click on Authorize. Okay, next this screen pops up. So you want to go ahead and choose who has access to your Docusign through your Pipedrive. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at me. You can go ahead and change that to all users if you want, or you can designate specific users and then click on Next. Okay, next you want to click on Allow and Install. Okay, next Docusign is going to open up the login screen. So go ahead and enter in the email address associated with your Docusign account, not your Pipedrive account. Okay, once you enter in the email address, Docusign is going to ask you to go ahead and log in with your Docusign password. So I'm going to enter that in off screen and then click on Login. Okay, next your Docusign access is going to let you know that Pipedrive is trying to access your Docusign. If you're okay with that, click on Allow Access. A quick second later, the page refreshes and Pipedrive is going to give you a little bit of information on how to use Docusign inside of your Pipedrive. So you can go ahead and watch this and then click on Next. Okay, next the page refreshes. Now you can see my Docusign is now connected to my Pipedrive, so I can manage documents and even send out documents for signature directly from my Pipedrive. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Docusign to your Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.